We have a geometric progression. It's given that the common ratio is 3, the last term is 486, and the sum to the first n terms is 728. So we need to determine the first term. So let's begin. So here we will specify the first term. So let the first term of the geometric progression, we will be denoting it by the letter A in lower case. So here common ratio R, so that's already given. It has a value of 3. The last term, so we'll call it the nth term, so an is 486, and the sum to n terms, so that's 728. So using these three values, we need to find out the first term. Now we know that the sum to n terms of a geometric progression or a geometric series, so that's given by a, which is the first term, multiplied to r raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, which will be equals to a times. So we can also express r raised to the power of n as r raised to the power of n minus 1 times r minus 1 whole divided by r minus 1, which will be equals to a times r raised to the power of n minus 1 multiplied to r minus a divided by r minus 1. The reason why we expressed r raised to the power of n as r raised to the power of n minus 1 times r, because we know that the nth term, this is also given by a times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Now that means our sum up to the n terms can be also expressed as an times the common ratio r minus a divided by r minus 1. Now we'll substitute all these values here. So we have 728, that equals to the nth term, so that's 486, multiplied to the common ratio, so that's 3, minus a divided by 3 minus 1, so this will be 2. So when we solve for a, our a value will be equals to 2. So this is the value of the first term.